Do you want to become a faster runner without having to follow strict training programs and technical interval sessions? Are you interested in trying a simple running workout that will help you improve speed, fitness, and your overall motivation? Then keep watching. I want to introduce you to something called fartlek intervals. It's a hilarious name, I know, but what do they mean? You see, fartlek is a Swedish term that simply means speed play. It's a less structured form of interval training that is really great for beginners. You can do them anywhere. You don't need any expensive gear, and you don't even need to go to the running track. There are multiple ways to run fartlek intervals. They're incredibly flexible, and you see, that's the whole point of them. In basic terms, you choose to run a certain distance, for example, 5 kilometers. During the run, you aim to do, say, 6 short intervals of 30 seconds of faster running. The rest of the run, you hold a very comfortable, slow pace. So when do you do these intervals? That's up to you. You need to listen to your body. When you feel ready, you start your interval. You can count the seconds in your head. Maybe you do most of the intervals at the start of your run, at the end of your run, or you spread them out. You choose. You choose how many sets you do and how long the sets are and how fast you run. Super flexible. Give it a go. Good luck. Like the video and have a great day. Thank you.